Today we will discuss hold ventilation. Whether we should ventilate holds or not. This is mainly for general cargo. Nowadays general cargo is reduced, but some handy size bulk carriers still carry it. For example, steel products, plywood, etc. So when to ventilate and when not to ventilate. Now let's say you loaded cargo in a area which was cold. This is the cargo you loaded at a temperature of, let's say, 10 degrees. And now you are sailing to warmer climates. Now suppose you start ventilation. This air is warm, let's say 20 degrees. If you start ventilation, this warm air will come in contact with this cold cargo, which is still at about 10 or 11 degrees. And the moisture in this air will condense on the top of the cargo. So this is known as cargo sweat. So this can damage the cargo. Therefore, when you are going from cold to warm, you have to stop ventilation. So the slogan in the books you will find, cold to warm, stop ventilation. Now let's see the reverse. And this cargo sweat is also known as dew. This is also a form of dew. Now let's see the reverse. Where you loaded cargo in a warm area. The cargo is loaded in a warm area, let's say plus 30 degrees. And now the ship is going to a cold area, warm to cold. Now this air inside is also at 30 degrees. Cargo is also at 30. And now you are going to cold areas. Now let's say you do not ventilate. So what will happen? This air will become cold. This is your hatch. Now you are going to cold areas. So outside temperature is, let's say, plus 10. And you do not ventilate. So what happens? This underside of the hold and underside of the cross decks will also come to a temperature of 10 degrees. Outside is also 10, and inside, underside of the cross decks, underside of the hold pontoon is also coming to plus 10 or plus 11. And this air is at 30. So this warm air will come in contact with this cold surface, which is the underside of the hatch, underside of the cross deck, and deposit moisture. That moisture is known as ship sweat. And later this moisture will drop on top of the cargo and cause cargo damage. So if you stop ventilation, you get cargo damage. So the ventilation should be started. So warm to cold, you have to start the ventilation. So the slogan is warm to cold, ventilate bold. Cold to warm, ventilate not. Now this hold ventilation is two types. One is a natural. On some ships we have natural. In this case you just open the ventilators, ventilation starts, and the other one is forced. Forced means a fan is used either as an exhaust fan or as a supply fan. So this is better because you get more air going inside. So this is about
cold ventilation.